This is usually just a typo for JSON, JavaScript Object Notation. It's a data file. Rename it to JSON and open it in Notepad or a browser to see the data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's verify the code. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering JSN files with corrupted internal metadata. The JSN file extension is associated with Shield Now and JSON data. These files are used to store and transmit data objects consisting of attribute value pairs and array data types, or any other serializable value. It is a common data format used for configuration files and data interchange on the web. JSN files are structured using a human-readable format, making them easy to parse and generate. They typically contain key value pairs, arrays, and nested objects. The structure allows for complex data representation while maintaining simplicity and compatibility across different platforms and programming languages. The standard is defined by RFC 8259. An essential utility for interacting with JSN is recognized as Shield Now by JetSoft Co. Opening this file outside of a dedicated environment can lead to irreversible data corruption. Windows gives limited insight, so interpreting the contents requires the originating tool. The first action is to find a successful opener. Right-click the JSN file and click Open With. Test Shield. Now if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option in the list. If the JSN file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The system is rejecting the file for specific technical reasons. Before we apply the universal fix, let's review the most common causes of the failure. First, use JetSoft Software. Open the file using JetSoft Shield Now or an associated JetSoft Form Design application. Next, check version. Ensure your JetSoft software version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, export to PDF.xml. Use the software's export function to save the form as a universal format like .pdf or .xml. When this JSN file resists every program you own, it's likely a case of naming overlap. Because so many developers share the same extensions, your computer is essentially guessing the format. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn JSN formats. Skip the complexity. The one-click fix is File Magic. It's the fastest way to open your JSN file. Download it at filemagic.com. Remember to always back up your original files first. If you're happy with the result, hit the like and subscribe buttons quickly.